Today down the Logan River. I've got a heap of bloody fish frames. I thought I'd come down here and just put a few pots in and then head down toward the old gazebo and maybe Mark's Rocks, see if I can't pick up some bream or some flathead. So as Tony from the Carbrook boat ramp says, the mighty Logan. It can be cruel and it can be kind. I hope it's kind to me for me today. Anyway, see how I go, eh? Wish me luck. Okay, I've got bread on this line. So I'm fishing with 3 lines. I've got bread on this line, I've got dough on the other, and the third one I've just got a bit of bait out. See if I can't pick up something bigger. So hopefully I get them a bit bigger than that. It's probably only about 25. I won't be keeping anything under 27, that's for sure. Surprising, it's 28 centimetres. So I've got dough on this line. That's 29 centimetres. Look at that beautiful rod. I'm going to make my bloody own Jimmy cranes. It's a better fish. That's a nice little bream. Caught on bread. It's 31 centimetres. So as I was saying, I'm down at Mark's Rocks. I left the gazebo only because the shark was taking a liking to my bread and dough. So hopefully I get a few more of these down here, eh? It's just 27 centimetres. Just concentrate on what you got going. It's not a
bad fish again on bread. That one just at 31. Oh, that's a bad fish. This is a better fish on dough. Just 30 centimeters. Bad fish again, red. That one just at 31. They bite well, but I think it's another little fella. Oh no, it's not too bad. There's some bread. Just another one at 30. Just a 29. Anyway, I'm going to call that a day. I've got a bit of a problem with the motor. I don't want to switch it off, so I need to get it, put it into service. I think ended up with 8 Bream. I wanted to stop at the old Evo area for a drive from Flathead, but as I said, I didn't want to stop the engine. Anyway, 8 Bream's okay. Anyway, until next time.